Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about home, family, and living this life that God has so graciously blessed us with. Our channel is full of content that I hope encourages you, inspires you, and most of all helps you on your journey. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you will get notified every time new content is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every video. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all know that 5-minute little breakfast I did last time that literally only took 5 minutes, okay? I'm going to do another one this morning. I'm just going to do a different version. Yes, that is our tortilla, okay? I'm going to do just like a little tortilla. So here's your a little hack, okay? Do that egg the same way. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch that video. It's literally only like 5 minutes long, okay? Maybe with a little talking, it might be 6 minutes, okay? Go back and watch that video and see how I did the egg. I'm going to use a tortilla this morning. This is a spinach tortilla, okay? I'm going to just soup up me another egg, put in it whatever I want to, and then I'm going to put it on a tortilla. Here's the good thing about this. You can eat it like this, pliable. You can toast it, put it in a little frying pan just to toast it on both sides like a crunch wrap, okay? There you go. There's a good little breakfast right there. Turn it into a crunch wrap by either, if it's not too fat, I would suggest using the bigger tortillas. This one is a little small. It's just what I got on hand. I'm going to make it work, okay? But I'm just going to eat mine like this morning because I'm in a hurry. But the next time I will use the bigger tortillas and I'm going to do a crunch wrap, breakfast crunch wrap, okay? So when you use the bigger tortilla, turn it into a crunch wrap by either frying it and toasting it in a little frying pan. No oil, no nothing. Just use your little frying pan as a toasting element. Put it on there, get it crispy on one side. Turn it over, get it crispy on the other to where it seals the bottom of it, okay? Then, if it's not too fat and it will fit in your toaster, I would suggest getting one of those little toaster bags and put it down in there and then toasting it, turning it into a crunch wrap. And then if it doesn't make a mess, you don't have to buy the little paper bags to put it in. If it doesn't make a mess and it's all sealed up and nothing's leaking, you can toast it in your toaster. A little bitty toaster oven that you might have sitting on your counter. What's another way you can toast it right quick? Give me some shout outs. I just had it in my brain. A penny press, a little George Foreman grill, waffle iron. You can toast some things in your waffle iron. Yeah, you can. Anything to turn it into a crunch wrap, y'all. So there's another quick breakfast. Whip up your egg in the microwave like I showed you. Turn this into a crunch wrap or just turn it into a breakfast burrito. This is a spinach wrap. So these are just what I had on hand. So I'm going to fix mine up and then I fixed my egg. I put some cheese in it, salt, pepper. I chopped up a little green onion, the white part of it. I used the green tops to just sprinkle on top. And I put a slice or two of Velveeta cheese on it. And I put it in the microwave just for a few seconds to melt the Velveeta cheese. And I got me like a breakfast wrap. So there you go. There is another quick breakfast for you. Where's my tortillas? There's another quick breakfast for you, y'all. Still make a quick nutritional breakfast. Okay? I just had those tortillas on hand and I'm like, what can I do with these for breakfast? So there you go. There's another quick tip. Turn it into a burrito or a crunch wrap. And if you do enough of these up, you can make ahead breakfasts and put these in your refrigerator and heat them up on your way out the door in the morning and eat on the way to work. I've done it a lot of times, okay? Eat on the way to work, okay? I fixed up some for my kids. Make ahead breakfast. Go ahead and y'all go back and watch some of those videos. If you're interested and you want to know how to do, if you're just tuning into my channel and you have missed all those videos, go back and watch my make ahead breakfast videos. I do a whole bunch of make ahead breakfasts, grab and go breakfast, freezer breakfast. I make batches of them to where on busy mornings, like school mornings, bam, you can pull out something, heat it up in the microwave, and have you a good breakfast on hand, and you're done. And it's more nutritious than grabbing a honey bun or a donut. Okay, even though I still like those. I may still grab some of those. Anyway, go back and watch those videos, okay? This is a little 5-minute breakfast. I will link the other little 5-minute breakfast to this one. And then I'll link my make ahead breakfast videos down there for you too, if you're just tuning in. We've got a lot of content on this channel. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for when new videos upload. Go back to our playlist and just pick out a video and watch it that interests you, okay? So I hope this works for you for a busy morning. There's you another little 5-minute breakfast. See you in the next one.